Well, I was calling, look, your little niece, Lord, this girl here. I told her she should have went to school to be a lawyer. Yeah, well, at work, they had a new girl started. And Eric found out that the girl made a little more money than her. That girl called the EEOC. And she called the lady at the top of the company. And what it was, about 3 weeks ago, and the lady called today. She was saying, well, I got some news for you. It's good news. She said, I did all my background checks on everything. She said, you should have been making way more than what you're making. She said, I'm going to put in for your raise plus some more money. And she said, from the time that you started working here, you're going to get all that back. It's going to be 2 separate checks. I'm like, that's what I'm saying. I said, a whole year or something, Eric? She said, that's what she said. I said, now the manager, they're going to be looking at you. I don't care. She said, if they tell me something, I'm going to call the EEOC again. I said, if you would have called them, because she got an appointment with them next month. I said, because she was saying that she feel like it's discrimination. So the people at Abbott, the new people called and told her, you know, they want to go ahead on and settle this now. So she said she probably won't do nothing with the EEOC. I'm like, girl, you talking about Osara getting the raise too. They ain't tell her how much it was gonna be. She just said they got some money coming for her from when she first started.
The girl was white?
Yeah.
How much the girl making?
I think the girl making like $18.
And what Aaron making?
She was making $1 under her. That girl, I'm like, girl, you just, I don't know where she get all her guts from. I told her she should have been a lawyer instead of going back to school. I'm gonna need that money anyway. I'm gonna go ahead and get it. I said, but you might get more, and then she might lose her job. So just take that. Yeah. All this traffic. Damn, I'm late getting there.
They might find a reason to buy it.
Yeah, well, she about to go back to school. She talking about quitting anyway, so I don't know. She getting a job. Well, it's like school and a job, a program at LSU Medical Center. They said that they were gonna train and then they pay you too. So I don't know. Yeah, but Bobby and shit, I don't wonder why she do that. She did that to her own self. Ain't nobody trying to take nothing. I just got tired of Mama cutting. I know that's what's killing Mama, what's stressing her. She be calling her. She did what? What she said?
I don't know. She called me. She was talking clear. I heard she said, you gonna do something. It's Mama said, who? Mama said, Camille. That's all I heard. Mama had it on the regular site. You want to know.
I wish she would try to do it. I'll knock Bobby in under her truck. She better go sit on a stupid tail and I don't play with me.
I don't know what.
She ain't gonna do nothing. She just better get that money and bring it to them people. She ain't gotta give it to me. I don't need to see her. Better be that ignorant. That's a shame. She must have got her letter yesterday, because I just got it. Eric said she called her yesterday. She don't know what she wanted. She didn't call me. She just better go. Oh, Mama like Bob ain't need to go sit down. Even Lure said that's the best thing. Cause I said, Larry, you want to do it? He said no.
I don't know why. I feel like she should do that.
I said, Larry, well, you want to do it then? He said, nah. He said, you can go ahead and do it. I'm like, why? You feel like it's good? Nobody else don't want to do it. Dennis didn't want to do it. And you can't do it. They even have somebody, the man said that they had it like that too. You can get somebody that's not,